straightforward kitchen timer. It's magnetic, so you can put it on the fridge, but it also comes with a sticker that you can put on the wall, which is magnetic, and that timer will attach to it. It's also got a bracket, so you can have it upright on a surface. Touch screen, so if you want to set minutes, keep pressing that. If you hold it down, then you can speed through the time. To clear, press M and S together, or if you just want to start a timer, you can do that. Stop, clear, and show what it sounds like. Let's do 4 seconds. And that's it, and it uses 2 AAA batteries. Okay.